Hello. Oh, I've just picked the absolute worst time to start vlogging because this is definitely going to get flagged, this song. I've moved away from a speaker, but I've moved towards a crying baby, so you know. Oh, she's calming down. I'm in Meadowhall today. I've just done a Primark shop with me. I was like expecting, oh there it is. It was like Primark, then just showed you like a blank piece of wall. Shop with me. I've also just been to Next and done their little beauty box thing, which I'll show you in a second. Lee and Milo have gone to the Lego store because we're really limited on time today because I've got a hair appointment at 11:30, 12. I think I had it in my mind we've got to leave here at 11:30. Anyway, early. And so I'm going to go and find them now, but actually on the way, the music is following me. Lee really wants one of these. He takes a coffee to work with him every day and he doesn't like those like double walled ones because they keep it too hot. So he likes these ones from Starbucks and he likes to get them whenever they do a new one. How beautiful is this dress in Hollister? I like it in both colours. I like it in the green. That's probably more realistic. I would actually wear that one. But this for Christmas. Oh, I love some stuff in Hollister at the moment. Oh, I love that. I just bought this, well, not just, but I recently bought a jumper from Marie's Rural collection at Primark and I thought that's what it was going to look like and it looks really boxy on me. I tried to take it back today and I'd left it too long and now this is haunting me. It's not haunting me, it's taunting me. I actually came in here to look for, oh, I like that. You don't see like V-neck sweatshirts very often. I really like that. I came in here looking for something for Lee actually because it's his birthday next week. It's Sunday, it's the next day. Oh, I've got full weird deja vu filming something in this corner. That was spooky. She went dark, much darker in the roots. It looks crazy. And then put like, what's the word? Low lights through it. She didn't do any more blonde and I don't understand how the blonde is so high up. I feel like when she does the dark route, it makes the blonde go higher and I don't know what kind of magic this is because she hasn't put any lightening, anything on my hair in like 6 months. She's a magician. Anyway, I'm at my candle station right now because I need to do my final tester jar for our fabulous, we were calling it Spellbound and now it's had a bit of a change of direction and it's going to be Stardust. This is because I've reused this and scrubbed it and it's been through the dishwasher like 4 times. It doesn't usually look like that. But yeah, this is going to be my final test. Having a hard time with temperatures at the moment because it's so cold outside that no matter what I do, the candle is going to cure kind of unevenly on the top, which is frustrating. So I've ordered some polystyrene boxes from eBay. Quite interested to see how these turn out. But I'm hoping that they're going to kind of like retain the heat. I'll keep you posted. Me and Ella have just been to the Tip. If you've got teenagers and they give you stuff like bags of clothes, take them to the Tip. Make them understand the experience of going to the Tip. I had loads of cardboard that I need to take as well, which I got to help me with. But she had like 3 bags of clothes that she was putting in the charity bins. And sometimes she'll just put like bags of clothes in my car, just like not fastened, and I'm like, you need to experience this for yourself because sometimes you get some real judgmental looks from the old guys at the Tip. Anyway, now I'm going to take Ella for a little drive around a car park. How can that be? She's just a baby. And Milo is going to sit in the back seat because he wants to witness this. It's just like Disney World. Do you know what? Going about 1 mile. I feel like you're keeping the car straighter than we were in Disney World. This is pretty good. Milo? Yeah. Terrified? Yeah. I told you my hair looked dark yesterday, but seriously, is it the light? This will wash out really, really quickly. I understand why she does it so dark, but when I put my hair up like this, it looks crazy dark. Anyway, it is Monday morning and I have frog taped my entire kitchen. I hate this so much. I've never done so much prep for any project in my life. But what I did was I had a ton of samples. It meant that the stuff that we wanted, I just couldn't go out and buy. I had to order it. The cupboard paint is not coming till Wednesday and the wall paint, which actually I probably could have gone and bought from B&Q today, but I ordered it just because it was easier, is coming today. So it kind of forced me into a corner of, well, you've got this time and this energy, this like, oh, let's get this thing done. This is kind of the time to put the prep in, isn't it? Huge task that I've been putting off is cleaning the top of the cupboards. I have sugar soap, which is fantastic for grease. I need to do all of these cupboards. I'm gonna get all the handles off, properly scrub down the cabinets with the sugar soap, but the tops of your kitchen cabinets get really grim. It's just like oil and stickiness. And if I'm honest, I only probably do it once every 6 to 12 months. I get up there and clean it because it is just, it's not nice. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And then I just did it and didn't share the process at all. Also, I've led a little extension lead up here, partially so I can have a little home pod, but also we got a lighter. What's the word I'm looking for? LED? That's not it. Neon. We got a neon light when we first got the house that was just our house and mum and dad had moved out, and we put it in the bar. And I always kind of wanted to put it in the kitchen, but there was no way of like threading up the cables. And now we've got a plug there. We could put it there. It's like a yellowy light. Also, look at my nails. They've been destroyed by this decorating. Anyway, what do we think of the colour? I love it. The beigey walls, which if you remember were white. The only issue we've got now is you can really tell, like this is warped from steam over the years. You see that? And this finish, you can kind of even see it from a distance. That's kind of bothering me. Otherwise, really, really impressed with it. It's called Serenity. It is the kitchen cupboard paint from Rust-Oleum. It even makes me not hate the counters quite so much. Also, I put this here, which I think is really cute. We're going brass with the hardware. This is just a towel rail for a bathroom, but we never know where our kitchen tea towels are. So I thought, well, I'm gonna put a little towel rail there. We can keep them on here. I think that's quite cute. All the handles are gonna be brass, and then we're gonna get a new sink. We're gonna do white ceramic with a brass tap. That's the plan. Now it's Wednesday, so I've got to log on for my actual job. I ache everywhere, and it's cold, but it's the 1st of November, and the 1st of November means I'm putting up my Christmas tree later.